Hi, I'm Jager Pitchforth, CTO of Scientific Microservices. Today I'd like to take you through how our APIs simplify the process of preparing your data for training machine learning and AI models. We're going to use the Titanic dataset, which is a common AI example for predicting survival from the famous incident. There is a range of information about each passenger, including their age, sex, cabin, and the fare they paid. All of this is useful to predicting their chance of survival. However, a quick scan shows there is missing data, which the computer will ignore in training. In fact, doing things the usual way would lose 70% of the data from this dataset. That means that the training from this data will be 70% less powerful than we thought. This is where our APIs save the day. To start, we call the Missing Rows Cols API to get a simple overview of which rows and columns have the most missing data. Straight away, we see that the cabin column is causing the most data loss. Usually, this column would be deleted, but if you collect data or pay for data collection yourself, you'll be asking what you can do to make the most of what there is. Luckily, if there is a pattern to the missing data, that implies that adding missingness as a feature to your model could be informative. The Missing Bias API runs a statistical test detecting whether there are patterns to be found. It returns a positive result, so we add a new feature reflecting whether cabin is missing or not, pulling the most possible training out of the data. With the help of Scientific Microservices and 2 lines of code, you've just reclaimed 70% of your data in under 2 minutes. For more information, see our website at scientificmicroservices.com.